everybody, welcome back to Rust and Restoration Garage. Got the Sonoma in today. I'm going to do those window seals finally, get rid of the old cracked ones. Anyways, not much of an intro, but get the camera set up and then we'll get the door panels off and get the windows out and change these seals. See you in the truck. Okay, so I'll show you the seals that go around the door here is what I'm going to be replacing. I need new belt moldings. I don't have them right now, but as you can see, the cracks in it, it's all splitting. And the truck came with new ones, so since it came with new ones, I'm gonna put them on now. Anyways, we'll get in this truck. Gotta get the mirror off. A couple screws here. I would imagine there's one in there. Get this door panel off, get the window winder off, and then we'll see what we got when we get in there. Hopefully this window unbolts and it's not glued in because it'll make it a little harder to change, but we'll get into it. And alright, so I'm going to start off by getting the mirror off. We got 2 and 3 T20s to get out. Oh, and we'll drop both of those on the ground. Just got that off. Mirror should come right off, maybe. Alright, so I think the mirror is attached to the inside. I haven't got into there yet. Anyways, you need those to get the cover off. We'll get those up off the floor. And now we're gonna make our way inside. From what I could see, 2 Phillips. And we gotta get this off. And then the rest of it should all pop off in pieces. Might be, no. That's it for screws. Anyways, I'm gonna get the screws out of that, get this off, and then we'll get the door panel off and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so I should have done my research before I started this, but it's not like a normal vehicle. Anyways, in here there's a Phillips screw. It's pretty hard to see. But in here there's a Phillips screw, and then there is 1, 2 up here, and I'm pretty sure I don't need to undo the window and get the window out. The way I seen is you just pull this down and slide them all out, and then just slide the new one back in. So anyways, I'll get that window put back on and then pull the screws out of here and then pull this out and see if we can get the new ones put in. Alright, so now I'm going to get the Phillips screws taken out of this. Watch out you don't drop them, they're probably a pain to get out of the door, but we might find that out here in a second. Okay, now we can get this to come down and start pulling it out. Alright, so we got that out. As you can see, it's all cracked and dried up and broken. So we'll get the new ones in. I'm pretty sure you got to reuse the metal that's in here, so hopefully you can straighten it back out. Might not be bent, but this one's all weather cracked. Whoever painted the truck didn't tape very well either. There's paint on it. We'll get the new one and get these metal pieces put in and get it back together. Okay, so I got those rods put back in, metal bracket things put back in. You got to poke your own holes through the rubber to get them to hook in, but I got that all done, both sides. Now we're going to see if we can slide it back into the door without too much trouble, and then it'll be ready to put the door panel back on, do the driver's side. Alright, after fighting for that for about 2 hours, this side goes in not so bad. Get the screws in there. This side is a nightmare to get in, and as you can see, The aftermarket trim's too long, so I'll have to cut a little bit of it. Seems to fit everywhere else all right. Just gotta squeeze it in there a little more. Window goes up and down fine now. Needs to be cleaned. Anyways, I'm gonna get the belt strip back on, get the door panel back on, and we'll end the video there. The driver's side is gonna be the exact same way. Probably a nightmare. I don't know what to suggest about doing this side, but have fun. Anyways, we'll get to putting this back together. Well, I was going to get this all back together until I walked away and the window just decided to explode. So that'd be the end of this video. It was no help or nothing. Kind of a big fail. Now I got to go waste some money on a window and see if I can even find one. But anyways, give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.